Luck was with me today. When the contractor put in what was the middle row, the topper was lower than the lowest block of the back wall, meaning there was nothing holding the wall back. So what I was hoping I could do, and I was able to do, was remove the glued down toppers and add another row to the middle row. Now, when we put the dirt in, the dirt will pretty much cover the bottom block of the top row, which will stop any movement of the wall, we hope. Four walls are now complete. We need to order more fill dirt. We also need to order more blocks so I can put another row in here. It's just too wide, and this row is not even with the patio. So I have decided to build another row, and it'll be approximately here, and we will raise it up so that the dirt will be level with the patio. We're coming along slowly, slowly, slowly. But it's hard work for an old man. But we're getting it done.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.